We always wanted to have a house that is located in a good environment. A corner lot for extra extension and a garden for outdoor activities. A house that is spacious enough to cater for our family, inside as well as outside.
The name Empirical House came by based on the initial decision of why the owners decided to purchase this corner semi detached home. The location of the property is a quiet suburb that is surrounded by nature, with jogging trails and kids park just a stone throw away from the property's premises, and the most appealing characteristic of the location is the mountains that is just bordering behind the property. At dusk and some early mornings, fog from mountains edges towards the property, which gives the owners a surreal feeling of living closer to nature. Hello, my name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. We are proud and thankful to announce that Design Seed has just surpassed our 200,000 subscriber threshold. It is indeed an inspiring achievement for us to see all of your endless support and encouraging comments in making this achievement unlock for us. If you're not subscribed to us yet, do slam on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell to stay in the loop and help us to spread more awareness and understanding of the design scene.
When we bought this house, a semi-detached with 3 stories, we were thinking of getting the house for some extension because we have extra land. And the best part of this house is the scenic mountain view behind the house that we can enjoy on the second floor. We've always wanted to have an open concept space so that we can enjoy the nature.
The initial semi-detached size was a 3,500 square feet floor plan, and the extension made to the property was enlarged now to a total of 6,700 square feet, 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and a rooftop jacuzzi. The moment you step into the property, a dramatic influence of opulence welcomes your arrival. With an exotic choice of marble feature wall with a fluted glass panel on the side, it makes the entrance foyer somewhat mysterious. A beam of light that goes along the carpentry up until the ceiling, guiding you through to the rest of the home, tantalizes your senses. The lighting implementation indirectly creates an eccentric geometry that frames the entire living area, connecting one space to another. When the client's brief was to extend approximately 3,000 additional square feet on each floor, on top of the existing floor plans, we knew we had an opportunity to maximize our space planning. The first thing that we had in mind was to create a semi-outdoor concept as the foyer that led to the extended part of the home. The timber decking foyer, completed with a linear timber strip ceiling feature, creates a unique experience for guests to feel as though you are stepping out of the home into a newly extended area. We positioned the dining and dry kitchen at the far end of the property, which allows the owner to house their guests at the midst of enjoying the sceneries of the mountains. The dry kitchen island is a focal masterpiece, spanning across 12 feet with a floating effect caused by tinted mirrors beneath, The reflection from the mirror makes the kitchen island achieve a less bulky impression and allows storage spaces at the back. The aluminium folding doors surrounding the dining area is easily unfolded to give this extended part of the property an immediate connection to nature. The sound of flowing waters, natural lighting that lights up the entire space up until the kitchen area makes this part of the home favorable for the family throughout the day. A unique addition added to the extended part of the property would be this sunken lounge area. A space for the owners to mingle with their friends, play with their pet, and while the kids are running around at the garden, the adults could have their coffee seated in this conversational-worthy lounge area and still be able to look over them. Art needs to be appreciated with a distance, and that was how this space planning was guided towards. Each space was designed with a breather space, like a comma to each sentence, a space to allow for room for appreciation, or what we would like to call an introduction lobby before entering a main space. This is how spatial choreography favors spaciousness in your renovation. Enough with all that can be seen. What about the messy part of the property? The rear part of the existing property was totally reorientated. Two hidden entrances lead to the wet kitchen and maid's room. The other hidden door that is flush alongside the feature wall display leads to a hidden guest room and a stylish powder room.
We always look forward to hosting guests, and when our guests ask us, "Can we use the washroom?" it's definitely a conversational starter. It is one thing to serve your guests with drinks and warm hospitality, but it's a unique feeling, fondness for you to be able to share the experience of your interior design with your friends and family. And hence, we felt the powder room is certainly a space we should not undermine.
On the first floor is the level dedicated to the children. Each bedroom is designed specifically to match their interests and character. The owners find perfect balance in the upbringing of their children.
I always tell my children, when your life works, your work works. And that's why my wife and I had always given our best to our children. We always emphasize on work-life balance, and that's where we decided we wanted a formal study room and a karaoke room.
The sizes of the existing rooms were not meddled with. However, we created a study room above the sunken lounge area and a large theatre room which could comfortably house over 15 packs. The intention was to turn the second floor to be a private penthouse for the owners. A level dedicated for the master suite that has direct access to the rooftop jacuzzi. The entrance to the master suite is through a majestic 5 feet wide pivot door. Complementing the timber strips, the headboard cushion design goes vertically in blue fabric, which improves the acoustic for the bedroom. A private glass division is made for the work studio, so when the owner requires quiet isolation for his reading, for work meetings, this exclusive addition completes his requirements. At the opposite side of the master suite encloses a TV room, a sophisticated walk-in closet that is adjacent to a glamorous master bathroom. Similar concept to the ground floor, we wanted to achieve the experience of stepping out of the property, entering into a new area. This foyer area is designed as a breather space, an extraordinary division that hugs the common area of the rooftop. The name Empirical House came by based on the immediate observation approval. When the owners saw this panoramic scenic view of the forest and greeneries, cultivating fresh air and positive energy, there was already a purpose, a motivation of a property to call home.
Now we can live in a house that we've always dreamt of, a house we can stay for years to come.
Designing a floor plan is simple. The narrative of each space needs to be purposeful and at the same time being able to create a memorable impact. The greatest satisfaction we got completing the design of this project is to see how the house complements the owner's lifestyle and having our design intention being realized within every space. Every corner of the house tells a unique story. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Please help us share and spread to everyone you can think of that may possibly be interested or be inspired to learn more about design contents. This will help our channel grow so we could continue crafting more and more compelling episodes. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.